Okay, good night, guys. Today, okay, guys. Today we are discuss about the rise of e-commerce changing customer habit and the local business. Maybe anyone have idea, guys, about the e-commerce changing customer habit and the local business? Maybe Hana ya. Do you have any idea about e-commerce changing the customer habit and the local business? Hana.
I'm so sorry, your microphone unmute, Hannah.
Okay, for my opening statements about the rise of e-commerce, the changing consumer habits and local business are because we live in modern era, which is we use internet a lot, and so we prefer shopping from internet, right? Like for example, this e-commerce itself. Maybe this generation choice to using e-commerce instead local business, because e-commerce provide some simplicity and we don't have to go into the shop in person. We can just scroll it from phone, and the courier brings our things. Yeah, maybe others can give some pros and cons about my statements.
Wait, my son is check. Okay. Hannah, I have a question for you. Is e-commerce profitable for you as a customer?
Of course, like I said before, I don't need to go to the shop in person. I can just scroll it down from my phone, and what's the word? Make comparable from between shop to shop, kayak like the price. I can choose which is which one is cheaper, like, yeah. And yeah, karena saya malas, so I just e-commerce instead.
I think you like only the discount.
Yeah, yeah. Like I said before, it's because the price I can compare it between store to store, like each store have different different price, right? And the discount,
Okay.
of course. I can use the voucher. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you. Okay. Anyone have any idea or have a question about Hana opinion, guys?
Maybe someone have pros and cons about my statements because in logical way, when we go to local business or traditional store, we don't have to wait to get the barang itu apa sih bahasa
The
Inggrisnya?
product, the product.
That thing, yeah, the product that we want to buy. Nah, we want to buy. Nah, it's different than when we buy a product from e-commerce, we have to wait like 2 or 3 days or even a week. Maybe someone can explain or have any idea about that because uh aku sendiri bingung kenapa like everyone prefer shopping in e-commerce than traditional store, padahal kita gak perlu nunggu barangnya gitu datang kalau beli di
Okay.
traditional store.
Like
Tidak.
pre-order.
Yeah, we have to
In
wait the courier to
with the
ship
product.
or
Okay. Okay. Maybe anyone have a different idea about Hana?
maybe
Because
someone can tell me why this generation prefer e-commerce and konteks yang tadi.
Yeah, guys. Hello, guys. Let's be active, guys.
excuse me.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. What's your opinion, Raka?
I could be a online store team because I had already using Tokopedia as an online store, but I got a little bit of problem about the online store when we if we choose a offline store to buying some product, we just go and see the real product. We can see the real product, and if we bought it from online store, we can see the real product, and it will be a trust issue, I think. And many scam I ever seen in Shopee as an online store, and the store give a much cheaper price, and and many person got scammed because fake review. Yeah, yeah. That is my opinion about
Okay.
so.
Do you already scam with the Shopee seller?
No, no. I did not already, but I see in social media many people got scammed because he trust cheaper price in online store. Yeah.
Wait. Sorry, can you repeat my advice? I can hear you. Sorry.
Alright. Yeah, I'm sorry to there is my
Okay.
neighbor playing a guitar, and I can speak normally because that is yeah, the guitar music. So
Okay.
uh, before I said I I have already seen people got scammed at social media because he was buying item from cheaper price in online store.
Okay. You can get scam because the product have a cheap.
Wait. So sorry, Mas Gabriel Darren. I can hear you because here is uh I can hear your voice because there is my neighbor playing a guitar. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Maybe anyone have another opinion, another idea about the topic, guys? How about Bahtiar Surya? Do you have another topic, another opinion, about another idea to topic? Hello, Bahtiar Surya.
Halo, apa?
Do you have do you have idea what's your opinion about the rise of e-commerce changing the customer habit and the local business? About
Okay.
okay.
Uh, maybe
What?
maybe change consumer habit. Maybe convenience. One of the primary driver of e-commerce growth is the convenience it offers. Consumer can shop from the comfort of their homes anytime and have product delivered to their doorstep. Maybe this is. Hello. Hello,
Hello.
guys.
Sorry, but your sound is not.
Yes. This is
Can you repeat? Can you repeat your
okay.
opinion?
Okay. Maybe change consumer habits. It's one convenience. One of the primary drivers of the e-commerce growth is the convenience is offers. Consumer can shop from the comfort of their homes anytime and have product delivered to their doorstep. To access global e-commerce enable consumers to access a vast range of products from around the world. This has led to increase competition and further selection for consumers. Maybe it's
Okay. Maybe I have question for you, Arya. Do you often use e-commerce? Sering pakai e-commerce? Arya, can you hear me?
sorry. Yes.
No, he lied.
Wait.
He lie. He not even use the online store.
Really? Hello, Arya.
Hello.
Do you often use e-commerce, Arya?
Yes.
And how about the deliver in Kalimantan?
Oh, in Kalimantan? No.
Oh no. Maybe Rasmi,
Eh,
you are in Kalimantan.
Yeah, I'm still in
How,
Kalimantan. Why?
how about the delivery cost in Kalimantan? That's cheap or hmm,
I think Surya and Raka cannot use e-commerce because the about the what the name ongkir, what the English language ongkir,
the deliver cost?
yeah, very mahal banget gitu. So
Very
I think
expensive.
I
That's
think
very
Surya
expensive.
and Raka don't want to use e-commerce, apalagi Shopee.
Ah,
No, no, no,
how
no.
about you?
No. I did already
How about
about I bought it from online store. I bought it from online store at I mean the Kaltara. Sorry.
okay. Uh, okay. Wait. Hey, how about you, Rasmi? Do you often use the e-commerce in Kalimantan?
Um, Actually, yeah, but the costs are very expensive. But I really like use the e-commerce like such as TikTok Shop because the cost low more than Shopee. And then I think
Like free
yeah,
cost?
no I think 14 yeah 14 rupiah. Mm.
How much? How much the price? How much the
Mm,
price for delivery cost? That's the most expensive or a little expensive for you?
More expensive. I think the cost around 17.
That's from
Not
Java?
17, 17 apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya? Ini what the English language 70.000 rupiah.
70.
Ya.
70,000 rupiah.
70,000.
Yeah, I mean that's it.
Sorry. Uh, so what's your opinion, Rasmi, about the topic about the rise of e-commerce changing the customer habit and the local business?
I think I'm Team Pro and I agree about the statement from Hannah because the e-commerce trend indeed provides convenience to us consumer to be able to shop more easily and be able to reach a product widely. And consumer now have unlimited access to wide range of product and service with just one click. Jadi kalau misalkan if you want to buy a watch or handphone, you just go to the TikTok shop or Shopee. You can buy and search what do you want, and you can see what you want. I think that's it. But I think about the e-commerce trend have a bad impact. But I stay and really like about the e-commerce. And But what I think the many negative impacts such as my money running out to check out guards. So, jadi aku karena punya apa kebiasaan check out di Shopee atau sebagainya tuh kayak uangku habis gitu cuman buat check out kayak gitu kan.
Okay. The product is more expensive or the cost is more expensive in Kalimantan?
I think the cost, not
The
the
cost.
product. Yeah.
Okay. How about do you know the case about Tanah Abang?
Yeah, I
Tanah
know.
Abang.
Yeah.
Nah, do you know
Yeah.
guys?
Uh, TikTok shop sempat di-ban because merchants from Tanah Abang
Kontra.
protest
Yeah,
because
kontra.
they think this e-commerce can kill their mata
Yeah.
pencaharian.
Yeah, and how about
Because
now? And
apa ya?
and how about now? That's still that's still
My opinion, e-commerce can challenge the notion that local business or traditional store can seamlessly coexist with e-commerce giants. The resources required for small local enterprises to establish and maintain online presence can often prohibitive. Yes.
okay.
Pokoknya this economic barrier may lead to
Yeah, just the
monopolization of the market. But in conclusion, while e-commerce apa ya sedang
I don't know,
my
but
vocabulary. Sorry.
I don't I don't agree about the trade monopoly with the e-commerce, yeah. About e-commerce, the
Yeah.
e-commerce what's that? E-commerce is easier to buy the product when you use the trade monopoly. Trade monopoly is like China with the product, yeah, you know, with the political
Yes.
transaction. Yeah, that's a little
Yes.
tricky for what's for discuss politic.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe with another participant, yeah. Mahfud Junaidi. You hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Okay, Mahfud Junaidi. You in Malang now, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Where's my Zoom? Okay. How about your opinion with the topic today is the rise of e-commerce changing customer habit and local business?
My opinion, the rise of e-commerce is a transformative force in consumer behavior, emphasizing convenience. Local business, however, face challenge due to online competition. Success entails adapting digitally and showcasing unique aspect. That's my opinion.
Okay. How about your habit with the e-commerce in Malang, in Java? Do you often use the e-commerce or no? Hello, Mahfud. Mahfud.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Okay. How about your habit with the e-commerce in Java area? Yeah, we know now Indonesia is Java centris, yeah, with the all of economy in Java. How about your habit with the e-commerce in Java in Malang, ya? Malang is part of.
No, never.
Hello, cek. Hello, hello, Mahfud Junaidi. Can you hear me? Hello.
Sorry.
Yeah. How about your habit? That's rarely or that's often?
Uh,
How? Mahfud? Sering atau tidak menggunakan e-commerce? Hello, Mahfud. Okay, maybe the connection is lost. How about Gabriel Kanta?
never
Oh, okay.
before in my city.
Oh, okay. Maybe Gabriel Kanta. How about your opinion about the topic? Gabriel
thank you.
Kanta. Okay.
You can hear me, Darren?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, my opinion about the rise of e-commerce is that physical stores and traditional stores are increasingly and at risk of going out of business due to shift in people's online shopping trends. The impact has already been seen, such as TikTok Shop and others. And the way of to overcome this is by the way physical store or traditional store must overcome the changing times by also having to use e-commerce.
You from Kalimantan, right?
Yes, I'm from North Kalimantan.
Okay. Do you often use the e-commerce? Maybe?
What?
Do you often use the e-commerce?
Yes, I used to. I use
How about your traffic in e-commerce? That's rarely or
what? Can you
how about your
repeat?
traffic? How about your traffic? That's often or rarely? Hello.
Uh, hello. What are your question? I,
Is- Sorry, my internet is unstable, guys. Can you repeat your opinion?
no, I repeat your question, please.
Okay. How about your traffic in e-commerce? Do you often or you rarely use the e-commerce in Kalimantan? Oke, sering atau tidak? Bagaimana trafiknya di Kalimantan? Do you often or
Maybe no. Yeah.
I think about the cost, yeah. The
Yes.
same like Rasmi.
Yes.
Yeah, the cost is very most expensive. How about Halima? Halima,
Yes.
yeah, how about your opinion about the rise of e-commerce changing the
Okay.
customer habit? You are
Before
you
that,
are you are safe in Kaltara, right?
but I'm in Jember right now.
Oh, in Jember, okay.
Okay. Before that, I wanna really sorry because I can't turn on my camera because the camera is broke.
Okay, it's
Okay.
okay.
So, as a supporter of the rise of e-commerce, I believe that this development brings positive impact for consumer and business overall. E-commerce provides easier access to a variety of product and service, allowing consumers to make purchases anytime and anywhere. So this enhances convenience and efficiency. Additionally, skilled online business can reach the global market, contribution to both economic growth. I think just that.
Okay. How about in Jember? Your traffic is How about your traffic in e-commerce in Jember? Jember is the part of Java. I think the cost of delivery is cheap or free free cost maybe.
I think the like Kalimantan too expensive, so I don't use like Shopee or TikTok Shop. Another reason because I don't have money, so I don't use the Shopee.
I think you have
You like
many money, Halimah. You like
No, I have.
okay. I don't know in Jember, but how about the local business in Jember maybe? That's quietly or with
In my wait, bentar aku nggak tahu bahasa Inggrisnya bentar ya.
I have a question for you, Halimah.
What's that?
You prefer online shopping in Jember or Kaltara?
Of course in Jember.
Why?
Like if Jember 25.000 and in Kaltara 50 like that.
Okay. Okay,
uh
okay.
how I use the Tokopedia right now. How about
Mhm.
your opinion about the subscription member, the member of Tokopedia member that's you pay 90,000?
It's like premium application, right?
Yeah, it's premium for the free cost. How
Free.
about
Okay. I think it didn't work to me because anytime I subs like that, I didn't want to buy anything.
And if I want to buy anything, I didn't search like that. So I think if you want to premiere the application, you need to buy anything and anything a lot.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
like that.
already use?
Uh, for Gojek and Grab,
Photo.
like that, right?
Okay.
Just
How
to
about
Grab.
maybe Arya? How about your how about your opinion uh, from okay. How about Arya? Arya, can you hear me, Arya?
Yes, yes.
Okay. How about your opinion about the subscription the premium application from Tokopedia maybe or Gojek?
Oh, subscription application. Maybe I know. But I buy online shop in Malang. Maybe free delivery.
How about
Yes.
Kaltara? Do you done?
Oh, Kaltara is most
Yeah.
expensive.
Okay. Back to Tanah Abang, guys. Why you
Yes.
turn off your camera, guys? Guys. Hello.
Halo,
Anybody
Raka.
here?
Raka.
Okay. Back to Tanah Abang topic. Do you how about your opinion about Tanah Abang? I think that's a little what's the, that's a little cringe to explain. How about your opinion, guys, about Tanah Abang? Tanah Abang have the Tanah Abang is the real changing the customer habit in Tanah Abang. The e-commerce really changing the customer habit in Tanah Abang. How about it? What? How about your opinion, guys? Wait, hello, guys.
Uh, uh, I think it's not an about a negative. Sorry, apa ya? Bukan tentang negatif dari online store. I think seller in Tanah Abang must change their shop to online store. I think. Yeah, he got her profit because uh, she's not using a online store to selling her stuff. So that's my opinion.
Okay. How about Rasmi? Do you know the case of Tanah Abang?
Okay. Actually, just I know, but I don't know much about Tanah Abang. So I can tell you more about Tanah Abang, Darren.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Okay. Hello.
Okay, I hear you. I can hear
So I know Tanah Abang but I don't know more about it, so I can tell you more about Tanah Abang.
Okay. For your information, the Tanah Abang have the conflict with the online store. It's like Shopee and TikTok Shop, and we there have the conflict with the customer. Yeah, the because that the TikTok Shop, the TikTok Shop have been for 2 months, 2 or 3 months. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we are move on to the next question. Okay. Maybe I have question to Gabriel Kanta, maybe. How what are wait. How can local business is the leverage the e-commerce reach the broader customer base without the losing their unique personal touch? Gabriel Kanta.
This is what your question, please.
How can the local business leverage e-commerce to reach the broader customer base without losing the unique personal touch? Bagaimana cara pedagang lokal manfaatkan e-commerce? Halo.
Okay, understand. Dagang.
Anyone need to help Gabriel Kanta? Maybe Hannah? Do you have the idea? Okay, Gabriel Kanta, what's your opinion?
My opinion is traders can learn through YouTube or learn with someone who already sells online. Maybe
And how about how to the local business branding? How to branding the local business to use the e-commerce? Maybe
can be through social media
social
boarding
media.
product.
Okay. Maybe anyone have any question? Another question? Another opinion about the branding? Maybe the local business have a new branding in the social media. Guys,
I have an opinion, Mr. Darren.
okay, what's
Maybe
your opinion?
the seller in offline store can make a coupon. First, the coupon is only in the offline store, and that will be make a customer more tertarik. Ya, jadi mungkin
Interest.
penjual. Yeah, sorry. I mean, interesting because of the coupon in the offline store. Yeah, that's
How about
my
the coupon in e-commerce, like discount, and
uh
discount,
maybe
like that?
the seller can searching more idea like he can give buy one get one or anything, so that will make an interest of customer.
Okay. Okay. I think that's not only in the offline store. In online
Yeah,
store is a most coupon, right?
yeah,
Like
yeah,
that.
of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, but we already know in offline store is agak ketinggalan jauh. Ya, maybe
I think. Hmm?
ya mungkin karena tidak menerapkan cara itu.
Okay. Okay. I have question for that. That's in the uh can I in the local business, yeah? Can we begin the price
Sorry, ber
ber,
what
begin menawar
bergain?
menawar harga
Yeah. Maybe
in
it's
the
in offline store.
commercial market? You can begin for a cheap. When you lucky, you can get the very cheap price.
I think in
I
traditional
think
store can, but in modern store like a mall, we cannot like that.
I think the ladies have the reliable bargain skill. Yeah,
Yeah,
like yeah,
yeah,
like like maybe Hana or Rasmi, maybe you
yeah.
can the
I have experience because I cannot. I sorry, aku nggak bisa menawar. So, the seller uh, menawar ke saya. Jadi sellernya malah yang nurunin harganya buat saya karena saya nggak bisa nawar.
yeah. You have the bad skill in bargain.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why I'm using sorry, that's why I'm using online store to both
uh,
item or
I
stuff.
think I think only the ladies have the good skill in bargain.
Uh, I I think I'm not on a woman only.
Yeah,
As we know, the Bakhtiar Surya have a skill to make a price, uh,
really?
make a lower. Yeah, you can ask to them. You ask to Mr. Bakhtiar
Really?
Arya. He have a skill like a professional businessman.
Oh, Arya. You can begin to free maybe?
Yeah, he did already. He can.
Okay. I don't know, but maybe I have the question to Halima. Halima, can you begin the price in traditional market or local the local the local business in Jember? I think in the East Java is very easy to begin. How about Jember?
No,
No,
no, I can't.
that's that's you have the bad skill or the in Jember is very hard to begin.
Um, I don't know because I think only my mom can bargain and I can't.
I think you can try. You
Uh,
can
I
try
I
to
want to
begin.
try but gak enak gitu.
Kasihan
Uh,
penjual.
okay. How about Rasmi? Maybe Rasmi have this good skill.
Okay. So I think bargaining is an advantage of offline store, but still online shop
I
are
think,
more attractive
yeah,
and interesting because I really and I agree what Raka said because I can't virgin. Even though I'm woman, I'm still cannot virgin. Okay.
oh, I think Rasmi and Halima can teach the
No.
Arya.
Kalau harganya segitu udah aku bayar langsung segitu, nggak bisa nawar aku.
I think you should teach Arya. You study from Arya how to begin the price. Arya is have the good skill. That's right, Arya. You can buy the.
Yes.
You remember you can you buy the spinach for what's that? Wait, wait. You remember with me you buy the spinach only 1,000 rupiah? Huh? I think you don't remember. Okay, how about Hannah? You need to study how to begin in Arya.
Same with Kak Rasmi. Kalau harganya segitu ya aku langsung bayar. I can
Okay,
bargain.
I think you need to study how to begin in Arya.
I think Arya must make a course or any.
Make of course.
We are
Arya,
not
you can
Virgin
mother.
mentoring. Virgin mentoring.
Yeah.
you
No.
why you
It's not all
Yeah.
store.
I think
I think you must try open the course about
yeah.
Virgin.
Because it's
Yeah.
important skills.
Yeah, that's so important, Arya.
You can see the face. You can
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
And
the
then you can
face.
get
I thi-
many money from the course if you open.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think you can get the lot of money when you open the course. Hey,
What do you
that's
mean? What do you mean? The lot of money. The lot of money. What do you mean?
that's that's a technopreneur area. You must try it. Okay. How about Mahmud Junaidi? Maybe you need to try Virgin with Arya.
Uh,
Arya,
I think I know why Mr. Arya he didn't want to
Arya is so
follow.
shy.
Yeah. Eh, I know he didn't want to uh mengikuti course technopreneur because
Wow.
he said technopreneur just for beginner, yeah. Technopreneur just for beginner. He's a real businessman, so he's more than technopreneur.
Wow.
He's
What's your business area? You have the what's your business in Technopreneur area? That's online store in e-commerce. You can change the customer habit in with your e-commerce.
Yes, maybe offline store in fashion is traditional market.
Sorry, can you
Oh,
repeat?
um, wah, lali Ren.
Wah,
Ti- ti- ti-
uh, I think you have the big business in tech with your technopreneur skill.
Maybe I can
Yeah.
explain.
My business, this is my mother in traditional market in fashion.
Ah,
In
I think
fashion.
you study how to work in your market.
But then is from my mother.
Ah, okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay. Anyone have any idea with this topic to be discussed, guys?
Raka.
I think I know. Thank you.
Maybe I need to give you one more question again, guys. How about how about the how has the how has the development e-commerce alter the customer shopping habits, guys? Anyone need
Uh,
to?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
How has the development of e-commerce altered customer? How has the wait, how have how has the development of e-commerce altered customer shopping habit? Perkembangan e-commerce mengubah konsumen dalam berbelanja. That's gradually or hmm, guys? Maybe Rasmi, do you have idea about the question? Rasmi,
Okay. I don't
how
know.
has
Oke, kalau dibilang perkembangannya gimana sih ini bisa e-commerce bisa mengubah kebiasaan kita sebagai
English?
konsumen, I don't know. I think with the existence of e-commerce, now people prefer to shop online. Jadi kayak dengan perkembangan e-commerce yang pesat, yang banyak banget, kayaknya orang lebih bener-bener banyak lebih milih ke online shop gitu loh daripada datang ke pasar perbelanjaan gitu, store,
Like we
offline store lah.
prefer a simple way to shop.
Yeah, I think
Okay,
that's all.
I think the habit the development of e-commerce is significant alter the customer shopping habits.
Iya,
With
udah jadi kebiasaan.
yeah, yeah, that's so significant, right?
Yeah.
The
And I think the more impact for anak muda kayaknya, kayak lebih banyak ke anak muda sih untuk e-commerce ini. Kalau yang orang tua kayaknya masih datang ke online offline store. Jadi the bad impact I think more and generasi Gen Z.
oh, okay, I see. Uh, the can see that's the can see is uh what's that? Can see play an active role in the changing in this habit, the habit of a lot of customer. Rasmi?
What?
How about your opinion, like Gen Z? Gen Z play an active role in this topic.
I don't know. I cannot tell you the reason. Maybe Hannah. I think Hannah unmute the microphone. I think you want to say something, Hannah. You can help me.
Or how about Arya?
Sorry,
Hannah?
I didn't quite hear the last statement.
How about your opinion about the Gen Z? Gen Z is the play an active role in this topic. That's so significant role, or how about?
Yes, Gen Z have a significant role for e-commerce, perkembangan e-commerce gitu. Because like what I said before, Gen Z prefer efficiency and e-commerce menyediakan efisiensi itu.
Okay. And okay. Okay. Anybody have any any idea, or we are finished this discuss, guys? Guys,
For myself, enough. I don't have a topic. Others.
okay, that's enough, guys.
Yes, maybe I can add an add-ons. When we shop in e-commerce, we have a lot of times to decide untuk nimbang-nimbang kita mau beli apa gitu dan cost-nya berapa gitu. Kalau di tempat langsung kan we must decide
and
saat itu juga gitu.
and I think that's become your hobby, to scroll TikTok Shop or Shopee.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I think when
One
you
of sifat Gen Z yang money value gitu.
yeah, do you buy the product only for yourself, or
Lo.
okay, just joking. Okay, just joking. Okay.
Iya.
Yeah, this your
Solo Yogyakarta lo gak bahaya ta?
okay. That's enough, or have any idea, any opinion?
Last.
Oh, what's your opinion?
I think if I go to the offline store with my mother, I can handle the high price if I go to with my mother, because my mother have a skill about what the English language menawar
Bargain.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you should still study from Arya. That's the great bargain skill.
Okay, Arya again.
Yeah, Arya can buy the spinach for free.
Tidak.
You not remember? You forget?
Bahasa Inggrisnya tutor suhu apa?
I'm moving.
Tutor master.
Yeah, can you teach now how to bergen?
Yeah, a little bit, please. Show me
Okay.
the
Okay.
example.
Okay, Darren. You going to Kalimantan, Darren.
No. I still in Bandung with my I still in Bandung. Okay.
Yes.
Please, my laptop habis jasnya
I
turun.
think after you from Kalimantan you can come here and teach me. Or
Yes.
you can teach the Hana. Okay, don't forget to come here. Okay, that's else. Right? Okay, that's enough, guys.
Yeah.
Enough. Mau
Raka,
makan.
That's
Raka,
enough.
Raka, Raka,
Thank you.
Raka.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, guys. Thank you for today. Thank you for the ah. Why I'm blank, guys. Okay,
You
thank you for
blank.
today, guys. Yeah,
Thank you for
Thank
I blank.
joining.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
guys.
Raka.
Don't forget to pray
See
first.
you.
You guys. See you tomorrow, guys.
Yeah.
Hana the
Yoi.
moderator. Okay.